Now it's time for the next step. Instead of playing the scale up and down horizontally along a single string, we will stay in position instead and play the first 6 notes of the C major scale like this. C, D and E on the B string, followed by F, G and A on the E string. Then move up a position and start the sequence of notes again on the D note. D, E and F on the B string, G, A and B on the E string. Yet another position shift. From the E note you play E, F and G on the B string, followed by A, B and C on the E string. This way you will be using different finger combinations in the left hand, and you will also need to visualize the scale formula in a more vertical oriented context.